Hello everyone, this is Mahima here to explain my 10th experiment in Compiler and System Software Lab to show how an intermediate code is generated. So for this I have used C programming. So here first of all I have declared the header files and then I have taken certain variables and then I have declared these character arrays. Now the main motto of this is that I will give an input expression, maybe for example a plus b into c. Then how the compiler actually does is that it splits a plus b as a separate expression, and then whatever is found out as the output of that, it stores in a temporary variable, say z. So the final expression would be z into c. So then z into c is computed as an expression by the compiler. So let us see how that operation is done over here. First of all, I have created a structure over here inside which I have a variable for the position, and then I have for my operand. So first of all, here I prompt the user to enter the expression, and then how the input or the intermediate code is done is that first of all, I have made use of functions over here. First of all, it will find whatever is the operand. That is, in my case, as I'll be entering my operands, it'll go and see whatever is the operand, and then after that, it'll explore as to how it is done. So here, first of all, in my find OPR function, what I have done is that I have a for loop from 0 till the end of the string. That is my expression, and then it will first of all check for colon, and then it will put that value inside a separate k array, and then it will see for slash, and then it will see for star. These are all for the sake of operators. So every time it will just keep on analyzing this one in this way, and then towards the end we check for the different kinds of operands we would have given as the input. Like over here, first of all, I have checked, yeah, it is done with the operators. Then after that, here I explore for my various operands, first of all for the left ones and then the right ones, and then it keeps decrementing when I have to calculate. When I have to put it inside a new temporary variable, then it has to get decremented. So that is what is done over here. And then it also checks for dollar symbol and all that. And then now I check if my number is equal to 0, then I have to calculate the string length. So the process just keeps continuing unless I get it. Now I have two more functions for the sake of the left side of the expression and for the right side of the expression. So for the left side of the expression, this is what I'm doing. That is, first of all, I'm checking if it is an operator. Like we have these various operators over here, or else we can even call it special symbols, as we have even taken null character and colon. And then again for my right one, I again check for the operators. And then every time I see one, then I have to store that array character array value into my left array, and then I have to keep decrementing it. So it is the thing to be noticed is that when it comes for f left function, then I have to keep decrementing. When it comes to f right function, I have to keep incrementing. So let me compile the code for you. Um, so here it's compiled. Let me show my output. It will prompt me for my expression. So let me enter an expression: a plus b into c divided by d plus w into z. So as I told you in the beginning, it checks for each and every operation with one operator in between and two operands. It calculates and puts that in a separate temporary variable. In this case, I have taken each as z. It just keeps doing that, and the output of that is taken. For example, over here, it has calculated b into c, and that b into c and w into z, it has taken into z and y respectively. And then in order to calculate a plus b into c, it has taken it as x gives a plus z, that is this one. And in the same way, in order to calculate d plus w into z, it has taken as d plus y. And then my overall output would be dividing these two by each other. So towards the end, I equate it to my respective output. So that's all for my experiment. Thank you for watching.